Good morning, everybody. We've been keeping this project car under wraps for quite a long time, but we are just too excited to keep it a secret anymore. So I am here at FH Pro Collision, and we've got such a cool car to show you guys. I'll show you it in a moment. Dave is coming here with the Tundra and a enclosed trailer because it is still winter time. We do not want to expose this car to salt. But first, what do I have here? A brand new Tundra SR5 that I just picked up as a press loaner. And what better way to surprise DP with this new Tundra to tow the project car home?
DP, I got you a new truck here. Look at that thing.
I wish that was my new truck. That thing looks amazing. I love the redesign. It looks fantastic. I'm excited to try it. But first, let's go have a look.
We gotta go inside, man. We gotta go inside.
I have to admit, I am just as excited about this, maybe more than I am about the truck, but come on in.
Well, let's do it this way here. So we can kind of get a reaction. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Dude.
Man.
Oh.
It is a brand new car.
It is looking incredible.
Phenomenal.
Wow. All right. We ready here?
Let's do it. Let's show the people what we got. Look at that, everyone. This is the dream. This is every Honda fanboy's dream. This is a DC2 Integra Type R. And yes, it has been completely repainted to a standard that far exceeds the OEM paint, if I'm honest. It is like glass. It is phenomenal. These may look like new headlights. They are not. Richie here at FH Pro Collision polished them and clear coated them. We put all new emblems and stickers on it. We don't want to tell you too much though, because we have a full video series coming on this car.
That's right, this is just a teaser, guys.
This is a teaser, so there is a really interesting backstory to this car and why it needed to come here to FH Pro and get redone to this level, but we won't give it all away now, so let's just give you a quick peek at it, and then you're gonna have to wait for the full video series. This is the man, Richie, who made this car look better than new again. You absolutely killed it on this. You can tell that you love Hondas.
Oh, I love them.
He's got a couple himself. You'll find out more about Richie in the main episode where the car's here getting painted. We'll show you some of the process that he did on this car to make it look this good. But wow, you absolutely knocked it out of the park, so thank you so much.
Thanks.
It's exciting to see this car look this good again, because it was pretty rough when we brought it into you, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was pretty bad. I mean, it wasn't really bad, but it needed a little bit of work.
It had been neglected for a long time.
For a little bit, yeah.
This has brought it back to life to a level that I honestly didn't expect. It is perfect. It really is amazing.
No,
so thank you so much, man. We really appreciate it.
DP, are we taking this door for nostalgia's sake or what?
Well, you never know. There's some stuff here we might need. A 20-year-old speaker. Or
this may also be an indicator of why this car got painted, so I don't know if we want to tease too much. But,
yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, there was...
There might have been
happened, guys.
Some light tuning happened to this car before we bought it. All right.
It's gonna feel good or what?
Oh, it feels like home. This is what I belong in, everybody. Gone back to my roots. I don't think we can ever sell this car, Peter. I'm sorry. I know it's worth $1 million now, but
not yet.
Makes my soul feel good.
$1 million, but I agree. There's no way you sell a car like this.
She's a keeper.
It's too special.
Let's see if she'll fire up. Oh, it's just like a Honda. Fires right up.
Oh, dude, that doesn't sound so good.
Oh, yeah, Richie was saying it threw a check engine light on him last time he started it.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Just need some carb tuning.
Yeah, that's all it needs.
Now just go very, very slow. There's a bunch of salt here, and the last thing we want to do is infect this car with salt.
You're stressing me out, man. You're stressing me out.
It's okay, we beat cars over here.
Woo! Damn. That thing is looking good. That thing is looking so good. Oh, just cleared. Yep. Bam, you're in. Woo!
Don't shoot this, Peter.
Come on, this is
embarrassing.
YouTube. This is YouTube gold. You trying to squeeze out of here? But you did it, man.
Sausage in there, my God.
I should have been pulling this thing in. I'm
for the
a loser
love.
for that.
Are you implying you're in better shape than me, Peter? Is that what you're saying?
I'm just a little bit more trim. That's all. But look at that. That's a tight gap
That
there that
was-
you had, and you made it,
I
man.
had to take my boots off, but I made it work.
Yeah, you did. Dave, why don't you tell everybody what happened here?
Nothing's happened here. I may have left the keys in the Integra, and it may have a circa 1999 alarm system in it, aftermarket one that has locked the keys in the car. So, yeah, non-intelligent key and non-intelligent owner equals these guys having a Slim Jim the door open for us. That's it. Woo!
Done.
Sweet! Alright. Thank you guys.
No problem.
Saved the day yet again.
Disaster averted.
Lesson
Now we
learned.
can be on our way
Do
here.
not leave the keys in your old car.
Keys back. Alright, we're clear.
Excited for this TP?
I am, yeah. It'll be really cool to try out the new Tundra. I have no idea how it will tow compared to this one, but presumably better? Well, we're gonna find out. Well, she's all hooked up, easy peasy. I like the way they have the plug for the trailer up high next to the license plate too. It keeps the wire up off the ground. So already seeing some refinements to the setup here. I've only been towing in the new Tundra here for a few minutes, but I can already tell you there's a lot of differences between this and my 2008. And you know, you'd expect after 14 years there would be some progress in this being an all new truck. Obviously, you know, the interior and everything is very different, but the way it tows is actually quite different, and in a positive way. I'm happy to report. First of all, there is much less nosedive, basically pitch and dive when towing a loaded trailer like this. So I've probably got 6,000 pounds behind me right now, and in my 2008, if we hit a bump, the back end of the truck comes down quite a bit, and then it sort of springs back up again. So you kind of get this bit of a porpoising that happens. It controls it well, but not nearly as well as this truck does. This has much better control of the trailer. To me, it feels like this truck has better command of the trailer, and I don't know what that's attributed to. I assume that's mostly suspension tuning, and this is just an initial impression. So we are going to actually give you a much more like deep dive on this truck once we've driven it for this week. This is our first day with it, our first hours with it really. So this is just an initial impressions, but so far I'm really liking the way it tows. Just jumping on the highway here now, so we'll see how it accelerates with this turbocharged V6 versus the old V8. But even just coming out of town here, the throttle feels very responsive. It doesn't feel like it's struggling at all to accelerate with this load behind it. And it's also nice how automated everything is. So when you plug the trailer in, the truck immediately knows that a trailer's hooked up to it. There is a button here to put it into tow haul mode, which I've pressed, but it tells me on the dash what it's deactivated because we're trailering. So it's communicating to me a lot, and it just feels like a much more technologically advanced towing experience, if that's a fair way to put it. Actually, one last thing to report here. I'm now in the fast lane because I got tired of giving you guys the view of the back of a tractor trailer. And when I accelerated out into the fast lane, I got some sweet spoolie noise. I got some turbo noise happening there. So that was exciting. I said it was very quiet, and it is still very quiet, but you do get some cool choo-choo noises when you accelerate. And now I've got a left lane bandit in front of me in a minivan who is determined to brake while going slowly in the left lane with nobody in front of them, because welcome to Canada, I guess. Anyway, excited that this thing accelerates as strongly as it did when I wanted to get into the faster lanes. Please get out of the left lane, buddy. Just let me show the people how this thing accelerates when I get on it. Why are you braking? You keep flashing your brake. Oh, now he's going over to the right lane. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! It's a miracle. So, let me go full throttle here. We are moving, folks. We are exceeding the legal speed limit by a small margin. Sorry, Toyota Canada. And yes, everyone who's wondering who was driving the minivan, it was an old lady. Sorry, old ladies. I know you're a big fan of Speed Academy, but you got out of the left lane, so I shouldn't be complaining. I congratulate you on your awareness of your mirrors and your surroundings. So anyway, guys, this thing is towing down the road at left lane appropriate speeds. I'm not holding anybody up, and it feels buttery smooth. It feels very happy cruising at these speeds.
Ooh, DP has arrived. Man, that thing looks fantastic. I love the look of this truck. Now it's time for us to unload the Type R here.
Yeah, this is the price you pay.
You love this car so much, you got to take your shoes off.
Right. Well, they actually...
It's not a Lamborghini.
It isn't, but they cleaned the interior, and I'm trying to make myself as skinny as I can. Actually, we need the foam here. Sorry.
Oh yeah.
We on the ground.
Do not want to.
Imagine if I ding this freshly painted door.
Don't do it, DP. Don't do
That
it.
would be bad news. So, it's a tight fit. I'm not gonna lie, but I will make it happen. It's even easier getting out than in.
Wow, this is next level.
This is determination.
You know what we made the mistake of here? Not opening this window. If we would have opened this window, we would have been good.
That was
instead, yeah.
a rookie mistake for sure. God, I hope I don't break this window.
Oh man. Oh.
It's like reverse birthing here.
Wow, this. Whoa, you did it.
We did it.
Ooh, baby. Okay, now go slow with the front lip here. Keep coming. Slow, 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 slow. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming. Oh my goodness. Are we off? We're off. We made it. Now the plan is to take this car around here and try to minimize the amount of salt that we get on it, because of course we do not want to rust this thing. Yeah. Welcome home. You did it, DP. I don't think we got any salt on it.
I know, I babied it in here because this is now my baby. I can't tell you what a good feeling it is to drive one of these cars again, having driven one for years. In fact, when we first met, this is what I was daily driving to work at Modified Magazine. For a couple of years, we played around with it at the magazine, and then, like an idiot, I sold it. And now I feel like...
Look at you, you're back. You're back.
I'm
It's
back
all
in
come
my
full circle.
natural habitat. This is where I belong. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little teaser episode on what is obviously going to be a future project here on the channel. And what we haven't really explained to you, and we're not going to fully explain now, is that this car has a really incredible backstory to it. We actually bought it before the pandemic started at a price that will utterly blow your mind. Even pre-pandemic, it was an amazing deal. For reasons that will become more apparent, but there was certainly an element of a homie hookup going on there, because I did buy this from an old friend of mine. So really excited to bring this car back to its glorious original condition and add some spice to it too, because that's what we do here, isn't it, PT? We add spice around here.
Before we go here, DP, I want you to open the back here, and you see there was a box.
Yeah, I noticed there was a box back there.
Stuffed back here.
I didn't know what it was.
Pull that out,
Okay.
and we're gonna have a look at it, because I'm pretty pumped. Needless to say, this was a mission to get this.
And this truck is getting a full workout here too.
It did arrive, and I am beyond excited for what is in here.
I looked on here. Does it tell me what it is? Not really. Oh, I see a part number on here. Still doesn't really tell me anything. Whoa! Oh, I know what this is, PT.
That's right, buddy.
Oh man, that is a big score. Brand new too.
Brand spanking new.
This isn't
and
no used Wang. This is brand new.
I know, man. I know. Straight from JDM land, and this has been like the last thing that we've needed before we take the RX-7 to paint as well.
That's
so look out for that episode in the future.